Hello, everybody. Welcome or welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. My name is Gbpusd, and I'm a consistently profitable Forex trader. A couple of things before we start. Okay, number one, this video is going to be raw, no edits, no subtitles. So, yeah, no branding whatsoever. Number two, um, thank you guys for checking up on me. I know I haven't been vlogging and stuff like that. Yo, guys, I've just been lazy. Like, it started off with me going through my technical issues, and then I just got lazy. And it's not like I don't vlog, I do vlog. It's just the editing part, guys. Yo. It's really, really tiring. But I've been thinking about jumping onto TikTok and stuff like that. And then here on YouTube, I'll post shorts because TikTok videos and short form videos on YouTube are the same format. So yeah, and also Facebook, but also Facebook. So yeah, and then yeah. So I'm sorry, you guys, that I haven't been vlogging. Like, I've been getting people like check up on me. Shout out to you guys, and thank you for checking up on me. I didn't know that people fuck with me like this much. But since you guys called, like, I was like, "Guy, let me just record this." So yeah, guys, this video is going to be about it's not going to be about anything. It's going to be about trading. But this is a NFP forecast video slash trade recaps that led me to seeing a pattern forming. So I'm like, let me share it with you guys. Let me since you guys called, this is for you. If you know that you're in my DMs asking me what's up, this video is for you. But yeah, I'm gonna do TikToks and then I'll come back onto YouTube vlogs because I have a dope ass idea for YouTube vlogs. I wanna do something um that like when I first started trading I did, and then it proved to me that yeah, I can trade. So I wanna do that right now. So I don't wanna like give you guys like tell you guys about it. I want you guys to stick around. Make sure that you subscribe, and yeah, guys, subscribe, comment, like, follow everything on YouTube. Mahlodi Panda, same spelled the same way as the name of this page, but it's like one word without the space. On YouTube, on TikTok, on Facebook, YouTube there, Facebook, Instagram. Also Instagram, guys. Let's make Instagram great. Okay, now I'm going off topic, but like let's make Instagram great again. Okay, cool. So let's trade. Now we're gonna look on. Okay, also guys, I haven't paid for my trading view. Like I'll tell you guys in the vlog that I'm gonna be doing that why I didn't pay for trading view. Cool. Now, um, on a Monday, right? So we don't have the replay button. We don't have the replay button. It's gonna want me to pay, and you know what? Like I don't have money to pay you right now. I don't even have a card for Zufix, guys. Yeah, like the vlog is gonna be hot. But yeah, on a Monday, this gap, Monday market opened with a gap. Cool. So I'm going through this thing right now where it's like I'm not trusting my strategy, right? Because you guys know I trade my own strategy. I develop my own strategy and I'm trading that. So right now I'm just going through this phase where it's like psychologically where like ish, the way that I would explain it is that I don't trust myself. And like I know like how to fix the problem, and I'm doing that and I'm gonna document that on my YouTube, like when I come back, like those vlogs. Cool, guys, I have to that. So Fede, market opened with a gap on that Monday and then market came to this area. I saw this, I didn't like I didn't trust myself to take the sell over here. And you guys know I enter my trades on the 15-minute chart. I saw the sell, but I didn't take it. Saw the sell, but I didn't take it. But it is what it is. I noted it down, since I'm working on my psychology. Um, yeah. So this yellow area over here, right? Maybe let me change it to pink. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, this is so nice. Yeah, this area over here, you can see it's a typical double top. So double top is a reversal pattern to the downside. It made so much sense because there was so many confluences. Confluence number one is this gap. Market behavior is the market going in to fill in the gaps and then um, going down from there. Maybe over here there's like a fair value gap, right? When I got introduced to fair value gaps, I thought this was a fair value gap, guys. It just made sense, right? Not like candlesticks, but yeah, I didn't say anything because yeah. So yeah, and then market is coming in to retrace a sensitive area, right? An area that was a previous support. Market refu- refused to break this area, couldn't break it, and then broke it. Retest. So that was another confluence, right? That's the story that I can tell you about this trade. Market went in, but I didn't take the trade, so I can't really like show you guys that. Cool. Let's delete. Let's delete, right? We took our profit. Could have, should have, would have, whatever. What's one? So over here, right? This area over here, it's very, very important because that's the area of resistance for this. Yeah, this area over here. It's an area of resistance for this area. Market couldn't break it multiple times it tried. And you can see over here that there was also another break and retest type of thing. Okay, this is where we're at, my bad. Yeah, this is where the market bounced, right? The break and retest came back down, broke that area, broke this area over here, retested that area so many times. So many times. This is a head and shoulder. You can even do this, but let's do that, right? That's a head and shoulder. And then more confluence that the market is going down within the head and shoulder is a double. So another confluence over there that we're going down over here. Then market went down. I normally wake up at 5 a.m. I've been waking up at 5 a.m. Right? Okay. Need to disable that over here. This is around the time where I wake up and I see these things. What's around the time that I trade in the morning and then take profit hit. Now, what I saw is that on the 4-hour chart, right? Oh no, no. Before we go there, cool. Before we go there, after using something, guys, I just deleted. Cool, cool, cool. Market came here. Now, Wednesday, which was yesterday, that's when I took the first trade. Here, same thing. I didn't trust myself. It is what it is. Wednesday, right? I wake up. Okay, my bad. Wednesday, I wake up to this, right? This is where I took the trade because as you can see over there, it's like, this is where I took the trade. Hold on, let me show you guys. I thought this was a retracement. I thought these candlesticks were, I took this candlestick as a confluence that we are going up. This one over here. I took it as a final confirmation that we are going up because, yeah, that one over there. Because on the major area, on the 4-hour, market is at a area of like a support level, 4-hour support level, which indicates strong bullish reversal area, high probability confirmation for midweek reversal. That's a concept that I was trading, a concept that I developed, but it's a pattern that I saw a lot on the market. On a Wednesday, if the market was going up on a Monday and a Tuesday, on a Wednesday it's going to go down, that vibe, and vice versa. So as you can see over there, that's this area, the 4 hour. Cool. It's a 4 hour support area. So market is there. It needs to go up from there. Remember, 4 hour levels are like more, they have more power, as well as 4 hour candlesticks, they have more power. Cool. So I saw that, and then let me show you guys. I took this trade from a kind of, where was it, an order block. Oh yeah, here it is, 1 hour order block. Over here, that's a 1 hour order block. Let's do 1 hour. Yeah, previous day there was an order block. Ooh, I like how I label my shit now. Really, really like that. Yeah. Over here there was this 1 hour order block. Maybe let me do this. You guys see that? 1 hour order block. So that's where I took my entry. It was like this. There was a entry model. This was my entry model. But as you can see over there, did market hit SL? I think we did hit SL here. No, we didn't. I didn't even. Let's see. This is my personal account, by the way. Oh no, we hit take profit yesterday. No, we hit take profit yesterday. That's that. So we didn't hit SL with that entry model. I don't know, I'm just looking at it now and it looks like I hit SL. And I had some Zaza. So yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, that's what happened over here. There was an order block over here. I took that as an entry model. Let me do this. Yeah, this order block was the entry model that I chose. So market, as the market was going up over here, I also saw this big candlestick on a 1 hour as a candlestick to go up, but then took it at the order block. Market went up, and then first take, okay, this purple area ended up becoming the take profit area because of the price action that I was seeing. So that's why I closed the trade over here at this first one. And this purple one was my second TP, but I'll tell you guys a little bit more about that. Okay. Now, first take profit area was this area because I was looking at it from a 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. But then I was done with that because this is the structure that was supposed to be my first take profit area, second take profit area, and to show that my take profit areas, my TP1 was incorrect. When I was putting down TP1 and TP2, I was a little bit confused as to why, like, do I put an area or do I keep the two lines, right? Usually I keep the two lines, so that could have been an indication to me that I was making a mistake. Cool. And then TP3 based on that. Cool. Now today, market woke up with the market down here, and then I saw that this is where I hit stop loss. Let's go to the 15 minutes. I took this trade from analyzing on the 15-minute chart. So, excuse me, my first entry was over here, and the entry model was that over here we see, I thought that it was a retest area. Let me show you guys. Over here, right? Two. I thought that it was going to be a retest area to the upside. Then it was going to create a double top, some kind of double top. That's what I thought. But then it had, it was a double top for the market to go away, to come here to this entry model that you see over here. which is an order block, go to the downside. But then I ended up not taking that order block entry because by the time market hit TP, we had reached our daily limit, our daily goal. So yeah, this was the first entry. We hit stop loss, but then I knew that the market was going up. You know when you know. When you know, you know. Some things are obvious, but then the market maker always just tries to like fuck with you. So market almost hit my take profit area and then went down to entry again. And then hit my take profit area out of the blue. Cool. Now that we see that, right, I noticed that on the 15, no, not the 15-minute chart. Okay, hold on. Maybe let me take a screenshot first before I delete because I'm going to be um maybe let me show you guys what I'm doing. I'm just putting it in my, what you call this? Um what you call this? In my Notion. Notion. Hmm. So this is me doing my analysis with you guys for NFP, basically. Can let me remove drawings, all drawings. Cool. So now we're gonna be looking on the 4-hour chart. Oh, I have 2 minutes left. So basically on the 4-hour chart, it's easy, guys. It's really, really easy. Let me just do that as our 4-hour area. The market is going up. Have that as your, maybe like this is going to be an area to enter the trade somewhere here. Because it's an obvious thing that the market is going up. You just have to find a very healthy stop loss. I hope I'm correct with this one. I've been doing a lot of homework when it comes to like how market manipulates everything. So these are going to be my 2 entries. And then let's see. Where is the TP gonna be? Hmm. TP has to be in this region though. Maybe here. I don't know, guys. Maybe I may be wrong. Please don't come for me if I'm incorrect. Yeah, she wants to predict the market, and you can't predict the market. No, those ones that think they know a lot can't predict the market. Duh, we all know. Yeah, this could be. This is one of my 2 entries. Yeah, let's do this. This one, though, I think could be the correct one, but the entry engine is going to be within this. But I feel like also the market might want to manipulate to the upside. So, yeah, guys, 10 seconds left. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, peace, guys. Oh.